almost 11 years old. I believe that everyone has a dream, and my dream is to become an engineer. Particularly, I am interested in civil engineering because I love to build bridges, roads, and buildings.
When I grow up, I want to be a lawyer because I believe in justice and the power of the law. Wow!
Guess we believe it. Look who we are. We are the dreamers. We make it happen. Cause we can see it. It's to the world that we
Pretty good one, and this is Jennifer, and I'm your inspiring teacher. I'm excited to meet all of you and help you learn new things. Today is going to be a fantastic day, and I'm looking forward to sharing it with you. So let's get started and make most of our time together. And I think.
Hi everyone, my name is Raji Masisu. I'm an inspiring teacher because I believe I can help everyone with my education and help to find your talent.
Because I want to spread I
want to become a doctor and someday
make it happen. Oh yeah. It's to the world that can learn. Respect.
My name is Simon. And I want to be a doctor because I love working people and making sure they still I want to be inspiring.
Good morning everyone, my name is Alena Patricia Batu and I grew up I want to be a nurse because nurses are the heart of healthcare and I
Look who we are. We are the dreamers.
My name is
We make it happen. Guess we believe it. Look who we are. We are the dreamers. We make it happen. Cause we can see.
Hindi mapabaya sa eskwela o ginaon kay inyong ma-achieve inyong gusto inay. Bisan paman sa kapuran.
Oh yeah. It's to the world that can imagine. Respect. Oh yeah.
Ang kakaong karangal, makapigil mo sa imaning mga presentation.